and welcome to my Blender tutorial. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to create animations in Blender. So what you want to do first is open up Blender. Then you'll come to this cube. This is what we're going to start off with today. So what I want you to do is press N, scroll down when you find display, scroll down and press toggle quad view. It gives you a view of everything. Then press N to get rid of that. Now, this is the easy part. You just press this record button, move it a little bit, so it sets a marker there. Place it wherever you want, move it to the position, and you can also rotate it. Going to set it over here. Move it, and then you can also resize it. There you go. Now if you go press that button and go back here, press the play button, it will play your animation. It's that simple. That's your easiest one. If you want to export that, go to Output, find your file, put the name of what you want it to be here. I would prefer to select AVI RAW because that's quite a good one. Make sure it's not AVI RAW, otherwise it won't come out as a video. Then you'll click Animation. I'll do that right now, actually. Documents. Save as Test. AVI RAW. And click Animation. Oh yes, if you want to preview what the image will look like, you just press F12 and then F11 to exit quick render. I'm going to stop it there by pressing this X, and let's see how it did for that. That's all it got to do. So let's go and open up a new file. Remember, don't drag off because it will do what I just did there. So go to Reload Startup File or Control N. Want to right click the cube, press delete and click delete. Now you want to do the same thing, so go to N and toggle quad view. Now let's import something. Just find my models. It seems very small, so we're going to press S, resize it to make it bigger. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add armature single bone. We're now going to animate the character's body. So first you need to position the bone where you want it to go. So I'm going to rotate it like this. Maybe make it a bit bigger. And then go into, make sure it's selected. Go into, press the object mode. Go to edit mode. You'll come to this. Now you want to put your thing up. You want to put your cursor on here. Press E and drag it to extrude it. Like so. And you want to right click to select. Press E again, down to here. Now look what's happened. It's gone over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press A and then B to select it all. And move it to the position. Now you won't be able to see it, your bone. So you want to go up here to where the man is and go down and select X-ray. This will show you where your bones are. Also, another thing, when you render your animation, it will not show the bones. Well, it did on one occasion for me, but I think I did something wrong there. I messed around, which I shouldn't have done. So you want to edit in both sides, so they're equal, and then drag down to here, and out, like so. Now we need to do the back of the character, so select this, E, to extrude it, E again, and E again. You'll want to move it to the back leg, like so. Okay, now we've done that, you'll want to exit edit mode by going into object mode. Then right click on your model, go to the, can't remember what that's called, spanner I think, go to add modifier and select armature. Now you want to hold shift and click on your bones. Press Ctrl P and set parent to with armature deform with automatic weights. Once you click that, it will connect the bones to your mesh. So now you'll click your bones, go into pose mode, select a specific bone, and now you can rotate it. My model has different stuff, so sometimes you need to add more bones to move separate parts, but I can move the leg and stuff. Now I might want to add, so let's start by doing a kicking animation. So it will be right here, so let's just move it a little bit to your starting position. So I want the leg to move back a bit, with this bit as well, moving back. Then I want it to have a big swing forward, like so. And that moving forward a bit more. Try and make sure, yeah, like that. Now let's just see how that went. It's as simple as that, really. But that's just a beginner's guide. I'm not sure I'll be able to do an advanced guide yet because takes a lot of practice for the beginner's side guide. So now let's go and go to the camera, go down, select documents. I've already made a file called bear, so I'm going to make this bear 2. Press accept, ping to AVI raw. Now you want to make sure your character fits in your camera. So let's go out of pose mode into object mode. Go back, out. Try and move it up a bit. Yes, I'm sure this will do. Rotate it. Bring it down a little bit. There, that'll do. So let's try this. Let's see how this works. Press animation. Begin to animate it. You can see over here, it doesn't, it's doing that because I may need to connect some bones into the claws there. Either that or that it's an object. It's a separate component or whatever. And you just wait for it to do it. Remember to change your lighting so you can see some of the main character functions and stuff. I think that's about it, so I'm going to quit render, press play to see my finished animation. See, I cannot see my bones anywhere. And now once you get to this, press F11. You can go back out and redo your animation. So when you click this, oh, I forgot to know. I forgot how to. So like you can play it super fast. You can even play it backwards, which is quite cool. So there we go. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Hope to see you next time. Have fun with Blender. Bye.